What is up, Ratchet Diaries? It's your girl JJ, yes God. Today is July 12th of 2021, which means it is my 27th birthday today. We came very, very close to not celebrating my birthday today, guys. This year has been very hard on my mental health. But I mean, I can't not celebrate it. I mean, hello, there is my baby right over there. Got the air running, honey. It's fucking hot as fuck. And we are about to just go out and do some shit today, you guys. So, once again, like every year since my 23rd, I am going to take you guys along with me. Basically, everything I'm doing this year is something I wanted to do last year, and because of COVID, we couldn't. Unlike last year, I don't have a shit ton of presents to open. I am basically wearing my present. I got new hair. We got my new ashy blonde. We got all new jewelry. Got the necklace, the earrings. We got my birthday girl fucking headband on. And this gorgeous Cinderella dress. Like, honey, yes. So yeah, you guys, happy birthday to me, and here we go. Mwah. Alrighty, first stop. Birthday tradition, Cheesecake Factory. Very excited. Couldn't go last year because their dining room wasn't open because of COVID. Let's do it, you guys. Let's do it. Let's do it, do it, do it. Yes. The birthday queen has arrived, honey. Yes. Alrighty. Original order. There's a lot of dishes that I absolutely love here, but just because of makeup and not getting myself crazy dirty with eating, I'm gonna keep it real simple and cute today. Check back at dessert. Mwah. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to JJ. Sears, yes God. Thank you so much. Alright, here we go. Let's make a wish. Oh, mama, that is the shit right there. Happy motherfucking birthday, bitch. Alrighty, guys. Next stop, therapy. Check with you after. Denver Health, come through. Thank you. Say hi, Ratchet Diaries, Jessica.
Hi, Ratchet Diaries.
Yes, that's my reception queen. Yes. We at therapy, yes God. Can't have therapy without it being my birthday, okay. Alrighty, Ratchet Diaries, just got out of therapy. As always, feel 10 times better. Just left, and now we will be heading to the next place, so I'll see you guys there. Mwah, bye. Alrighty, Miss Century Cinemark Belmar. About to go see Black Widow. Black Widow. Come on, movie theater. Alrighty, guys, I'll check with you after the movie. Mwah, love you, bye. You know, just two bad bitches chilling together. Come on, Black Widow. I love Scarlett, you guys. One of my favorite actresses. Obviously, was amazing. She killed it. But yeah, so we are not done yet. We're gonna go head home, and we are gonna go head out to something else later today. So I will see you guys when I get home. Mwah. Alrighty, guys, I'm back home. I got changed into my outfit. We got a whole on bodysuit. Yes, God. I will see you guys at the club. So yeah, you guys, I'm about to just head out there and have finally experienced the, you know, the Denver, whatever, Colorado gay scene. You know, the clubs have been open, I feel like since June, maybe May, and I still haven't gone. So I'm gonna go to one that I think will work. I just wanna go out, just dance my ass off a little bit, get a little sweaty, maybe ruin my makeup a little bit, and then come back home, smoke, and, you know, have my own little drinking party here. So that is the plan. So I will see you guys at the club. Mwah. See you guys later. Oh. Next to me. At the doorway. Oh my God, I got my life at the club. I got everybody dancing. No one was dancing until I did some death drops to Physical by fucking Dua. Yes, God. You guys, I feel very, very, very satisfied for this birthday. I mean, last birthday, I ended it with 2 people that just spent the whole night throwing up in my bathroom, and I you know, I don't have relationships with any of those people. So I'm glad that we are back to celebrating my birthday by myself as it should be. And yeah, you guys, my makeup held up, girl. It still looks pretty damn good. Come on, fucking finishing spray. And this fucking hair was whipping, you guys. Like, damn, I wish I could have had someone film those death drops that I was doing, bitch. Like, also, I met someone at that club that might want to hire me because I was dancing. So yeah, you guys, 27th birthday, fucking success. Other than we lost, shit, I have like 5 nails left. But yes, you guys, I feel just like, I'm just so happy. I think the main reason why this birthday was even better was because I drove myself to all these places. Like, I had never ever spent a birthday, you know, driving myself to places. So the fact that like I went out and did all this stuff today and took myself there with my baby, which I'm still trying to figure out a name for her, that just is kind of the icing on top of the cake. So happy birthday to me, and cheers to another successful birthday, baby. All right, I'm gonna smoke, drink, chill out, maybe dance a little more, I don't know. I was feeling that Dua fantasy, baby. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Cheers, and I will see you on the next one. Mwah. Bye.